No, I haven't. I didn't get on it, unfortunately. I wanted to. It's just that it broke before I could even buy a plane ticket.
There's a guy I know. You know Green Park Worldwide?
Yeah, I know.
I met him at a press event and he was like, he's got on it like the day before it closed.
Oh, he's lucky. He's really lucky. Oh, whoa! Yeah, that was pretty good.
I was talking to these guys, they were coming back and they were like, we're going to before. I was like, yeah, like, what's it like? And I was like, nothing. I was so scared. I was like, why? You know, stand up. I was like, it's no different.
I mean, I like stand-ups to begin with, but...
I was like, have you been on anything else? I've been on everything else. I was like, this is mild in comparison.
Another day here at SeaWorld.
Oh, I know it's not wrong. Where's the phone?
Now,